my name is Desiree Anderson, and this is Piano with Des. Today we're going to be talking about our hands, because they're very important when playing piano. So let's go over right versus left. This is my right hand. Hello. And this is my left. So how do we tell the difference between our right versus left? Because sometimes you can get them confused. Can you meet me down at the keyboard and I'll show you my trick as to how to differentiate between the right versus left. Here we go. Here's my right hand, and here's my left. So here's the trick. What I do is I create this hand shape with my left hand. Notice between my thumb and my index finger, it creates an uppercased L. If I tried that same shape with my right hand, you see it's a backwards L. So that's how I tell the difference. Now that we have that, let's go over our finger numbers. So on both hands, hopefully we all know that this is our thumbs. So I know there's that joke. Here we go. There. I know there's that joke that our thumbs aren't really fingers, but in piano, our thumbs are finger number 1. So let's all just get our thumbs up. Yeah, big thumbs up, and let's just wiggle and say finger number 1s. Yeah. All right, then after 1 is finger number 2. These are our pointer fingers. So 2, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Then after 2 is our middle fingers. There we go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And after 3, 4, which is our ring fingers. There we go. And then last but not least, pinkies. That's finger number 5. All right, so let's go back to the piano and let's use our finger numbers to play some notes. So we're just going to learn 5 letter names, and in the next video, I'll go over how to recognize these letters. But for now, all we need to know are these 5 letters: C, D, E, F, and G. So I know sometimes these letters can sound the same. So typically what I do is I say C for cat, D for dog, E for excellent, F for fun, and G for great. So meet me down at the piano and I'll show you those fingers with the letters. So here, let's start with the right hand. And I'm gonna put my thumb, finger number 1, on C. And then after that, it's gonna be D, E, F, G. Let me play that. Here we go. C, D, E, F, G. And the finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's bring our left hand. Left hand, I'm just going to be a little bit lower because naturally the left hand plays lower on the piano. So here I'm actually going to start with my pinky, which is finger number 5. And I'm going to start that on the lower C. Here we go. C, D, E, F, G. Finger numbers are, starting with my pinky or C, that's finger 5. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to play hands together. So I'm going to bring my right hand back on the higher C, and I'm going to play the same letter names. Now if you notice, they're going to be different fingers, but here we go. So letter names: C, D, E, F, G. So notice as we go forward in the alphabet, I go left to right. So once again, C, D, E, F, G. And if I go backwards in the alphabet, then I'll be going lower. So let's try that out. So here, I'll start from G, which in my left hand, it's finger number 1, thumb. Right hand, it's finger number 5, pinky. Here we go. G, F, E, D, C. And that's it. Right versus left and our finger numbers 1 through 5. In the next video, I'll talk about how we recognize these notes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our website, dezcormedia.com, and our Instagram page @dezcormedia for additional content. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and if there's a topic you'd like us to cover, please let us know. We look forward to making more videos like this, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.